Good day, I am Emil Sandayan, base in 1B. Now I will demonstrating a bead making. So first procedure is wash hands. Next, assemble equipments. Place the bottom sheet on the mattress with the center fold at the center of the bed. Open the sheet from the fold and tuck the sheet on the head part of the mattress. Miter corner of the sheet. Tuck the sheet under the mattress all the way to the foot of the bed. Place the center fold of the rubber sheet at the center of the bed and open the sheet. Tuck the rubber sheet under the mattress on your side. The draw sheet the same with the rubber sheet. Place the center fold of the top sheet on the center of the bed. Place the center fold of the bedspread on the mattress 4 inches from top and unfold the bedspread to the other half of the bed and tuck. Meter the corner of the top lining at the foot of the bed to include top sheet and bedspread. Move to the other side of the bed, assuming because my bed is too big. Turn back all lining except bottom sheet and complete making the bed doing the same procedure from the beginning. Move to the head of the bed and fold back the top sheet over the top edge of the spread. Place the dress pillow at the center of the head part of the bed and position them so that the open cases are away from the door of the room.